Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this ginormous Christmas house out of scrap wood that I got out of my backyard, a couple of 2x4s and an old 4x4. So I have the habit of building things and 6 months later not liking it and tearing it down. So I get it. And so we're going to take a couple of these pieces. All right, we found some decent pieces to use here. All right, I'm going to secure the bottom to this massive fortress. I'm going to put some glue. I got some blocks underneath so it's stable, and I'll nail it from the bottom. This is the platform piece, and I'm going to put an edge along it with the router. All right, here's what we're working with so far. So unfortunately, I could not get away with completing this project with just scrap wood. I did pick up some 3/8 inch board to make the windows and doors, and we'll get those done now. All right, I'm going to nail these roof pieces on. All right. All right, I'm not much of an artist, but I am going to see if I can paint some accents on here, just to kind of bring this to life a little bit. My daughter was very gracious to let me borrow some of her paint. All right, next I'm going to try to fashion a steeple of some sort right about here. So I'm going to cut 45 right there so it fits in. All right, let's see how that looks. Oh, not too shabby. I don't know how I'm going to secure that, but all right. I have no idea how I'm going to do this steeple, but I think I'm going to drill a hole right here. Stick this nail in halfway, drill a hole into the top of the roof, and see if that works. We'll give it a try. Oh my God. That's right. Broke the bit. What a jackanapes. Well, I think it might work after all. Let's check it out. Kind of works. All right, here we are. It's finished. Let's accent with some trees. Man, there's so many different ways you can do this. If you're artistic, I absolutely am not, as you have probably noticed. But the basics of building this with the 4x4s and the 2x4s and the slanted roof pieces and the steeple, which obviously is hideous, you could do certainly much more with that. Anyhow, take this design, change it up, be a lot more artistic than me. This is a fun little project. If you have kids or grandkids or nieces or nephews, they'd probably love to decorate this thing. You could really do a lot with this, with just taking the base sculpture of it and turning it into your own. So have fun with it. Thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Help me to grow this channel, and we will see you on the next video. Take it easy.